What's up, third grade? If you're watching this video, it means you've scanned the QR code and you want me to remind you what to do in all of these boxes on the choice board. So let's do that. The first box, it says, choose 2 books. Scan this QR code, okay? Choose 2 books. Read them 2 times each. Write 2 words that show that skill on a sticky note or a piece of paper or on the back, whatever you want to do. But choose 2 books, read them 2 times each, write 2 words that show that skill. And when you read the books, you'll see there is a skill to be practiced. On the middle top box, it says Seesaw. You're going to go to Seesaw and choose an assigned activity to do. When you go in there, when you click on activities, there will be activities there for you to finish. If you don't finish one, you can hit the draft button, D-R-A-F-T. You hit the draft button on the top and save it for the next day. Okay, so that's the middle one for $1. The next one is Epic. Okay, so the login is there. You log into Epic. It should already say my name because we've already done it. You read a book, just 1 book, and then you summarize the book in 5 sentences. That means you tell me the most important parts of the story in just 5 sentences. Okay, and you write those on a lined piece of paper and you staple it to this paper. Okay, so that's what you do with Epic. You log into Epic, read a book, and summarize that book in 5 sentences. Going down to the bottom row, it's a $1 spelling. There are spelling lists in the rainbow drawers, okay, over by the writing section. It says spelling on it. So you find a list, you try to read that list, then you write that list. I only say to write it 1 time. It's only $1 worth. You may use colored pencils or markers or crayons, but the idea is the more words you can spell, the more words you can read. So get a spelling list from the rainbow drawers, try to practice reading it, then write them down. Okay, the middle one, Nearpod, says go to Nearpod in ClassLink, enter a code and finish the lesson. I will give you the code of what it is on the board, and then you can use that code to get into Nearpod. And that's a $3 one because, you know, there's a little bit going on in there that you have to finish and it might take you the whole time. So, you know, be wary about when you start it. You might have to save that and start later again. The last one is a $1 box. It's vocabulary. It says, look up 2 words you do not know from a book on Epic. Write them on the back and then look them up on the QR code. Okay, so when you're on Epic and you're reading a book, if there's a word you don't know, write it down on the back of this page. And then you can scan the code and try to figure out what the definition is. Okay. Try to read them even if the definition is hard. Try to figure out what it is that it's trying to say. Remember, you can use dictionary.com and KidRex to try to figure it out. Okay, if you have any questions, make sure to ask the co-pilot or customer service. All right, guys, good luck. Bye.